Republic of the Congo. Location: the Republic of the Congo, also known as Congo-Brazzaville, is located in Central Africa. It is bordered by Gabon to the west, Cameroon and the Central African Republic to the north, the Democratic Republic of the Congo to the east and south, and the Atlantic Ocean to the southwest. Capital: the capital city of the Republic of the Congo is Brazzaville. Situated on the Congo River, Brazzaville serves as the political, economic, and cultural center of the country. Population: the Republic of the Congo has a population of approximately 5 million people, making it one of the less populous countries in Africa. The population is diverse, with over 60 ethnic groups, including the Congo, Teke, and Lari. Official language: French is the official language of the Republic of the Congo, inherited from its colonial history. It is used in government, administration, education, and media. Government: the Republic of the Congo is a presidential republic with a multi-party political system. The President of the Republic of the Congo serves as both the head of state and government, leading the executive branch. The country has a bicameral legislature consisting of the National Assembly and the Senate. Independence: the Republic of the Congo gained independence from France on August 15, 1960. Since independence, the country has experienced periods of political instability, including civil wars and coups. Geography: the Republic of the Congo is characterized by tropical rainforests, savannas, and river systems. It is home to the Congo Basin, the world's second largest rainforest, and the Congo River, one of Africa's major rivers. Economy: the economy of the Republic of the Congo is heavily reliant on oil and natural resources, which account for the majority of export earnings. However, the country faces challenges such as poverty, inequality, and dependence on oil revenues. Currency: the official currency of the Republic of the Congo is the Central African CFA franc, XAF, which is pegged to the euro. It is issued and regulated by the Central Bank of Central African States, BEAC. Culture: Congolese culture is diverse and vibrant, with influences from indigenous traditions, colonial heritage, and contemporary trends. Music, dance, art, and cuisine are important aspects of Congolese culture, celebrated in festivals and ceremonies throughout the country. Religion: Christianity is the predominant religion in the Republic of the Congo, with Roman Catholicism and Protestantism being the largest denominations. Traditional African religions and Islam are also practiced by significant portions of the population. Languages: French is the official language of the Republic of the Congo and is spoken by the majority of the population. Indigenous languages, including Lingala, Kituba, and Kikongo, are also spoken by various ethnic groups. Tourism: the Republic of the Congo offers opportunities for eco-tourism and wildlife viewing, with attractions such as Odzala Kokwa National Park, Nuobele Andoki National Park, and Lesio Lona Gorilla Reserve. However, tourism infrastructure is limited, and the industry remains underdeveloped. Environmental conservation: efforts are underway to protect the Republic of the Congo's natural environment and biodiversity, including rainforest conservation initiatives and sustainable development projects. The country is also a signatory to international agreements aimed at combating climate change and preserving ecosystems. International relations: the Republic of the Congo maintains diplomatic relations with countries around the world and is a member of various international organizations, including the United Nations, the African Union, and the Economic Community of Central African States, ECCAS. The country also participates in regional initiatives aimed at promoting peace, security, and development in Central Africa. Despite its challenges, the Republic of the Congo is a country of natural beauty, cultural richness, and economic potential. Efforts to address poverty, promote sustainable development, and protect the environment are critical for the country's future stability and prosperity.